July 18th, Saturday. Right now we're headed to Barnes& and Noble, but it's raining like crazy. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. But the other day we did go to Coney Island, which I am gonna show you guys after this clip. And I am collecting seashells as well, so I'm gonna show you that as well. So yeah, so nice. So I put all the shells in a cute little jar. Super, super cute. So cute. Oh, look, he wants to show you his haircut. Do you like your haircut?
Yeah.
Today is July 19th, Sunday. We are at Madison Square Park. I found this park on Instagram, so today is gonna be a good day. How is your Sunday going? So I'm gonna see you guys when we get here because we're almost here. So I got him some Legos. This was like $10. He's eating a snack right now. And then they have like a medium-sized one, which I'm gonna probably get it for his birthday in December. But this is super, super cute. Like I get to like fill this up and like they don't weigh it. So I did fill it up like all the way. So now he got some Legos for until his birthday.
Hi.
So today is Monday, July 20th. Right now we are at Riverbank Pool. The baby pool is in the back with the little sprinklers. So right now we're just relaxing. The water is super, super cold. It's like 77 degrees. We used to come to this pool a lot last year. And I really, really love this pool. So we're gonna stay here for like another maybe hour. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great Monday. So yeah.
Mimi. It's Mimi.